Welcome to Trendzilla, the home of the most viral, most exciting, and most talked about videos. Rescue of stuck birds.
There you go. He's gonna hurt himself, by the way. No way.
No way.
No way. Aye.
Mate, are you gonna catch me if he falls?
It's a Kevin. He's
Clothes on fire.
Birthday, dear Kimberly.
The car is flying. Celebrating victory. The fish got away.
Красивый у нас карпик.
Батя полетел.
Ты снял это? Красиво.
First time trying ice skating. Too excited. When there are mice in the house,
¿Qué hago? Ya, mira. ¿Qué va a saltar?
when first sliding on snow, catch spiders in the house.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, shit! Where'd it go? There you go, Izzy. You're good. Oh my god!
Deer wants to eat snacks. Right on the face.
No way.
Pour water. Toothpick topping. The cat was shocked. Right on target. Teeth stuck in clothes.